Today, we're diving into the thrilling coda of Chopin's Ballade No. 1. This part can feel like a whirlwind, but with the right tips, you'll master it with ease. Let's break it down and make this challenging section approachable so you can truly bring out its power and emotion. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's bars 2A to 215. Start by playing the right and left hand chords together to create unity. Smoothly tackle the chromatic section. Play the chords in crescendo and decrescendo to simplify the passage. Coordinate right and left hand pinkies together to build momentum in the passage. Next, we're focusing on bars 216 through 219. In this section, it really helps to find the hidden melody, which actually comes from the very beginning of the piece. Go back and listen to the introduction of the ballad. Let that sound sink in your ear. Listen to the last three notes that close the arpeggio in the beginning. Now play that section from the beginning, but jump around in octaves as Chopin has written on the score. Now add the left hand to that. Remember to focus the weight of the arm on that thumb in that melody. Those quarter notes are the musical content of this passage. Think of the top notes as just an echo. Now you're going to keep the thumb the same as we just did, but you're going to add the top notes light and fast. Land on each thumb note and stop. Feel the weight. This will make you feel secure and confident. Put it all together and play at tempo. You will notice how much more coordinated you are and how much more solid you're feeling at the piano is. Now you're ready for the next section of this coda. Now let's take care of bars 220 through 223. In principle, it's similar to the previous sections, but let's see what makes it different. First, start by grounding yourself in the bass octaves. When it becomes chromatic, reduce it to the lower line. Feel the chromatic tension building up. Let the tension shape the motion. Once you understand the movement and tension of the bass, let the right hand thumb lead its own melody. Feel the weight there. That's your fulcrum, and the wrist will follow. Now you're going to put it all together and make sure to exaggerate the rotation of the wrist as you hit the key with the thumb. Right and left hand should be well coordinated and thumbs play with thumbs. Now you can add the top notes. Make sure you play them fast and light. Focus on expression and the speed will follow. Last but not least, bars 234 to 237. This section is coming to a close. The technique is similar to what we've seen before, but let's always look for the melodic line. Let's get to it. Start by focusing on the quarter notes in the thumb. This is our melody. Exaggerate the accented note. Make sure you're using rotation so the wrist follows. For the sixths, use the weight of the arm. Now coordination. Play the right hand the same way, but add the left hand. Make sure the thumbs are always playing together. This will give you evenness, accuracy, and stability. Now play it as Chopin wrote it. As you gain speed, listen for the melodic line in the thumb and the sixths. Good luck with your practice and follow for more content like this.